nice and warm. In here you find both young and old, seeking shelter from the storm. It's the spirit of the season to open up the door.
Hey y'all, I know I haven't been on. Happy holidays. Welcome all my new subscribers. Didn't get very much. Y'all, my iPhone, I have a problem with it again. Remember at one time I couldn't upload my information, and then now I didn't upgrade and I'm unable to do any. Only thing I can get is a telephone call. I can't get text, I can't make a call or anything. So it's really got me in a bad way here. So that's why I abruptly stopped. I was going to try to do vlogs, that didn't work out. So I've learned in life that you can plan, but things don't always work the way you choose or you want them to work, but God is still good, right? Okay, so I didn't get very much. This stuff right here was $40-something. So what I got here, I got the my apples I get every week. Y'all know I get the Cosmic. These were $6. But I mean, this is, I just get, my breakfast consists of these peanuts and, of these apples, and I get the peanuts, which I already have at work. And so, but, you know, my son and I are cutting back, and we're trying to just do better with our health. And although I said that, I still got peaches and butter golden cake mix to make a dump cake. And I also got this for the holiday, because I think I owe a few people, I told them I was going to make a new video for the eagle for the pecan pralines, which we call it pecan candy. I know some people say pecans, but we call it pecan. I got some limes, they were 25 cents. I got this True Lemonade, the raspberry. I want to try that with my tea. I got some Louisiana tea. I made fresh tea with spring water. It's good. And so, I don't do sugar. And so I want to put this in it to see if I like that. I got one more pack of Country Time lemonade, but Walmart, for some reason, didn't even have Country Time lemonade. That was weird. Okay, so I got that. For my snack, I got peanuts, but I also got cashews, lightly salted. I like unsalted peanuts, but I don't know how I feel about unsalted. I mean, no cashews with no salt. Again, I guess my peaches. There's my cake mix. There's my condensed milk. And then my son got almonds with sea salt. Healthy, like I told him, instead of eating the chips all the time, we're gonna, it's more expensive now. These were like $11. And then my cashews, these were $9. Sometimes it's more expensive to eat healthy, but in the long run it's less. Because if you can be healthier, you can stop buying medicine, stay out of the doctor's offices. Because I remember Miss Linda, the New Orleans gardener. Check out her channel. She does a lot of gardening. She eats healthy. She looks darn good in New Orleans. But anyway, she said that she stopped eating, I think she told me, beef and pork. She said because she was losing too many friends because of what they was putting in their mouth. So I am trying to do better. I'm trying to do, like I remember Steve Harvey said one time, do 80% healthy, and then every once in a while, you have what you like, right? All right, y'all, that's all. I just want to come on and say hi. Welcome all my new subscribers. Happy holidays. Much love. Talk to y'all later. Bye.